everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Hailey'S Hauls, where we do hauls and we also do tours. So here I am in my dorm and I thought that we could do another episode of Hailey'S Hauls, only this haul will not be a haul, it's going to be another what's in my blank tour, which is some of my favorite videos here on YouTube. I love watching this tag. I think it's super fun. So with that being said, we're gonna jump right into the video. Okay, so this is what I call my literal piece of trash drawer. It's where I keep everything that I don't know where to keep anywhere else. Right here is my desk drawer, like with actual useful things in it. And then here is just everything else that I need at my desk that I don't have room for. So first I figured we could start with this bin, which is just a whole lot of stuff. So first, let's take this out. We have the Say Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is not bad. It's not my favorite. It's got an interesting application, but you know, check it out. It's not awful. It does leave my skin feeling nice and fresh. Next, we just have this handful of samples that I thought I would use. Oops. And then I ended up not. And that goes in there. So yeah, I have these two hair oils. So I have the Hask Argan Oil Healing Shine something, blah, blah, and the Hask Macadamia Oil Revitalizing Shine. I have two face oils. These are two of my four. These are not ones that I use every day, so I keep these guys separate. I have the Valjean Labs Glow. Now, I don't use this one every day because I have oily skin, so I usually use my Firm. Let me just grab that from my other basket. Oh, not that one. I usually use this one. As you can see, there's quite a bit more missing, so I usually use this one. But I do use this one when my skin is feeling a little dull and dry, to really give it a little light up. And then I also have the Aloe Plus Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum, which is for removing or retaining moisture and smoothing the skin. So I use this one when, after I've been drinking, I put that one on. And then I also have this one for when my face is a little red. Next, I have this. It's called a bear claw. Yeah, it's called a cutie claw. And this extends. I actually have a friend who has a fork like this, but you use it to scratch your back, which I just think is super cool. You can also like move stuff and like touch stuff. Okay, next I have a Lush massage bar. Now this is from the Valentine's Day collection. It's April, but it still works, so I still use it. We have a comb that fell out. I have some Biore anti-blemish fighting astringent salicylic acid. I made salicylic acid in my chem lab stay in school. I have some gloss that I don't like. These are some more masks. These are charcoal nose things. And these are like actual masks. I really like these a lot. You can get these from, I got them from Winners, but I assume that Marshalls would have them as well. I also got these nose strips from there and also my various oils from there as well. I have some Ultra Balm from Lush. I use this on my elbows because I chew my elbows really badly, so I put this on there so they don't look dead. I have some FOMO. This is really great. I haven't used it in a while, but I really like the jelly masks, and I like this one a lot. I have some toothpaste, but I got that from Frosh. I don't actually use that. Some St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Teen Green Tea Scrub. Another sample, and then there's just some lotions. This is some vegan shampoo for my ear piercing. Another tea tree mask. A lip balm, some flosses, and some more hair ties. Next I have, this is a makeup setting powder that I have that I don't know why it's in here. Next I have a stash of fake nails for whatever reason. Those are just there. Next I have this Gucci Hello Gucci lip thing that is just the box. But I thought the box was cute. There's oil on it. But I thought the box was cute, so I kept it. This is probably just garbage. Here is some hairspray. Again, I get a lot of my items from Marshalls or Winners because it's cheaper. I have a body spray that I don't really use, and then I have, oh my god, sorry guys. And then I also have a dry shampoo because I don't shower. I have a Bally Mango body lotion, and I really love this. Again, I got it from Winners. This Rusk Sheer Balance something. I put this in my hair. I don't use these for removing makeup, but I use these to refresh my skin. Again, from Marshalls. Another box. I have 2 hairbrushes. One of them is for wet hair, and then one is for not wet hair. I guess you could say dry hair. I have baby wipes. These are just great to have on hands. They last a super long time. They stay moist. I like the Hailey'S brand, but whatever you like works great. I have a random paper towel. Okay, I have a phone case. This is when I'm like being a professional and I like don't want to have like pop socket or whatever. I put this case on and I can have my cards in it. Super handy. I have a broken hair elastic. Spring cleaning will throw that out. I have staples for my broken stapler. Electrical tape. I have a lot more of that, so we'll get back to that. Plastic bag. There's a lot of garbage in here. There's a receipt. Is this from Fishbowl? No, this is from Zach's Diner. Byword. So this is like a good little good luck token. A bag tag for my suitcase. Why is it not on my suitcase? I don't know. And then here I have a bunch of that is not. I have some rulers. I have a book here. I don't know how to read, so that's interesting. So I have coloring books, coloring pencils, and these are more coloring pencils. Back in here we have some more electrical tape. I only needed one, but they don't sell packs of one. A stapler remover. This is a band. A receipt. What is this receipt for? Oh, this is another Zach's receipt. Don't starve. That's a mood. I'd never. This is a little bag of garbage. I think there's more receipts in here. I don't know why. There's condoms in here. Yeah, so that's fun. These is a box of my Christmas lights came in, and they have like these little clips in them that are like command hooks, but they are not the price of command hooks. I have some playing cards for drinking games, more electrical tape. I don't know if I can throw that out. Spring cleaning, lol. Garbage. Some reinforcements. And then I have a lot of sticker books for my planner. Another sticker book. My sticker books. These are all for my planner. My Keurig manual. These are some envelopes that I thought actually had cards in them, but they don't. I'm going to get rid of this. This is like a box for markers that I do not need to keep. I have a student notebook, a student agenda that I don't use, a letter addressed to me, another coloring book that my friend gave me, another book. This is an old planner, and I have another coloring book. I'm actually going to put this one here. And maybe I will. This is a piece that I'm working on. Just nothing too crazy. It's just something I'm working on. Yeah, so it's a little bit messy, but this is what I keep in my junk drawer. Leave your requests in the comment section down below for what you guys want to see next. Bye, everybody.